8-beat riffs. These are progressive variations, not exam standard riffs. These are something completely different. So make sure you've watched 1 to 7, all the videos of the other riffs, because these need to be fast before you continue. We never do riffs slowly. So don't go on to this one until you've got 1 to 7 fast. So you know what 7 is if you've watched that video. So we're going to add something onto the beginning. And it's a spring onto the ball of the foot. Then we continue with 7. So number 8 will be the spring, because we're going to count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to spring. Spring, heel beat. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I won't go through that too much because you should have done all the other videos before this one. So if we want to do it on the left foot, we're going to spring onto the left foot. Remember, land on the ball and then a heel beat. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll do it forward because you need to see both feet now. So I'm going to spring onto the right foot, stay on the ball after the spring, then heel beat and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And with the other foot, springing onto the left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the left foot, springing onto the left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, we can curve these so we can go round this way after the brush. So springing onto the right. So springing onto the right foot with a slight curve this time. Spring, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. And on the left foot. Spring, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. You'll see if we do 1, we cannot repeat it on the opposite leg now. This is where, because these are such high number riffs, they only exist from here really. You would just do 12 or 7 or less. That's why I broke the videos at this point prior to this one, because these become a little bit different now. So I'm going to do it around the other way for you. So, spring, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Now we're going to spring onto the left foot. Spring, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. And that is 8-beat riff.